Hey curls, it's Lauren here with another episode of the Simply Curly channel. I'm so glad that you decided to join in on today's video. Today we're talking all things Indian healing clay masks. I'm going to show you how I do mine. But before we get into that video, don't forget to subscribe to the Simply Curly channel for more awesome videos. And if you are subscribed, I wanted to take the time out to thank you and welcome back, Curl team. And don't forget to like this video if you feel like it is super helpful. Let's get into it, girls. Also, one thing. Do y'all see my baby hairs? I almost don't even want to do this. I want to just like keep these edges laid. Like, look at
real basic. See, give you a full look. Now I'm starting to really come into form.
These edges are really laid. They're about to be ruined, so I wanted to pause for a moment for these edges. These baby hairs is laid for the gods. All right, let's get into it. With this clay mask, you'll need bentonite clay, which tightens and tones the skin, and its absorbing properties can draw out impurities from deep within. In addition to that, you also need apple cider vinegar, and I will also be mixing with water, and I will also be utilizing this brush to apply the mask. Make sure you get a ceramic bowl. Alright curls, I just washed my face. My face is freshly washed. Before I start talking about the mask, if you guys happen to see these circles on my arms, I did get cupping. If you guys don't know what that is, it's just an extra way that you get pressure relief from your tendons and things like that when you get a reflexology massage. It was painful. It was my first experience in general, but it was great. Anyways, so I've washed my face and I did a scrub with my Lush products. Now, if you've watched my skincare routine, you'll know that this is part of my skincare routine. I'll wash my face and then scrub with this Just to Clarify from Lush. It is a bamboo scrub. And I'll probably put the link to my video up here somewhere so you guys can look at that video if you're interested in my skincare routine. But this is a new thing I'm adding. I actually just got this container and it is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. It's deep pore cleansing. 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So basically, the description is facials, acne, body wraps, clay mat baths, foot soaks, chilled clay for knee packs, and insect bites. Enjoy the benefits of clay in your own home. Beautify and refresh. So to the extent of my knowledge about this clay mask is when you are using it on your face, it definitely just gets all the dirt out of your pores. It sucks all the dirt from your pores to the surface, and you can take that dirt off with the clay mask. It's something that a whole bunch of people use all the time and they swear by it. This will actually be my first time using this clay mask, but for a long time, I don't know why it's taken me so long to use it. Like, I've been wanting to use it for a long time, and I was in the beauty supply store recently and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get this. So I'm so excited to use it. So this is, hopefully you guys can see, but this is what the inside looks like. Basically it says add equal parts the clay particles, water, or apple cider vinegar. So I can be a little bit sensitive to apple cider vinegar. So what I'm gonna do is add this clay mixture, the water, and apple cider vinegar together just to dilute the apple cider vinegar a little bit. So you are not going to want to use metal for this mixture. I'm going to use a ceramic bowl, so let's get into it. So I'm just going to sort of eye it. I have this bowl. I'm going to pour out a little bit, and I don't mind having to waste some, to be honest. So that's as much as I'm going to pour today. Now I have the clay mixture in here. I am going to put a little bit of water in the mixture. So I'm eyeing it. So if at the end of this, if I feel like I need some more liquid or some more powder, I'm going to do that for the consistency. So now I'm going to add the apple cider vinegar. So I am using Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit in here. Apple cider vinegar is super good for everything in life. So if you didn't know that, now you know. If you want to look at how I use apple cider vinegar in my hair, I'll put a link up above, and I have my tutorial on my apple cider vinegar rinse in the shower. So definitely check that out if you want your hair to be shining, 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 shining. Go, 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 Charlotte. It's your birthday. I did not bring a wooden spoon, so I'm hoping that this won't mess up here. So I'm just gonna mix this. I actually need some more clay. Like, I put too much liquid. Now I'm putting some more clay. So I want it to be like more of a thicker texture. All right, y'all. So I am ready to now put on the mask. My skin has dried a little bit after washing, so I'm gonna put on some more water and then apply the mask. I'm just gonna press in that water in my face. Okay. Now for the fun, I'm gonna use this brush and start applying the mask. Make sure you are avoiding your eyes. Okay, and I know it says add a thinner layer, but I like to have like a heavy mask on. So I'm gonna add a little bit more on my face. All right, and that is the application. I'm so excited to see the results. You're gonna want to wait 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna push it with 15 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks, rinse it off, and finish up my skincare routine after I apply the mask. So I'll be back with my skincare routine. I'll see you soon, girls. All right, so this mask, it is so tight right now. Like, can y'all see? I can barely open my mouth. Like, it's definitely working because I can feel the blood rushing to my nose. Like, I don't know if I put too much, but whew, it's only been 10 minutes, y'all, and I cannot I can't wait another 5 minutes. My face, like, oh my god. So we are going I'm gonna try to talk through this. We are going I'm trying not to laugh. We're going to rinse the mask off, do some toner, and we're going to put some serum on and some moisturizer. Okay, so I'm just gonna rinse it off and then just tell you how I feel after the mask. Let's go. All right, so the mask is off. I did want to point out it is pretty hard to get off. So if you have a microfiber towel or something like that, to sort of scrub that off because it gets pretty caked on, but my skin is so soft right now. Like, and we're not even done, okay? So I'm going to use my Micellar Water. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Just to get a little bit of the residue off. I already used this initially to get some of my makeup off earlier, but sometimes I get nervous that, you know, I leave any of the facial products on, especially under my neck, around my edges. I'm going to just make sure I'm not leaving a thing. So now that that's all washed off, I'm going to use my toner and I'm going to spray it. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. Like, it's truly a breath of fresh air. Like, Lush, y'all did a good job with the name of this product. So I like to let this dry down just a little bit, not too much, because I'm gonna put in my moisturizer. So I have my Glow Oil. This Glow Oil locks in moisture with the help of omega fatty acids and high levels of vitamin C. Just like to put some on my face, like this. You can do this or just like mix it into your moisturizer. So I have some on right now, and then I'm gonna rub it in. And don't rub too hard on your skin. You want to eventually get it to where you can just like sort of pat into your skin. So okay, and now I'm going to use my moisturizer to finish up. And you don't need a whole lot, especially if you add the serum. So I'm just going to add that to my face. And now I am done. My skin is glowing. I would say that I would do this mask many times, maybe once a month, not too much, because I do notice that my skin is a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see that, just like around my eyes, it's like really red. And I think that just might be from the mask, like working really super hard to pull that dirt out of my face. It's probably stimulated my blood vessels also, so my skin is like sort of red. But it's all good. That means that more life is coming to my skin. So I'm not worried about that. I would totally suggest this. Like, have fun. It's sort of like a built-in DIY project for yourself. It's not like a mask that just comes in a tube. You get to create your own consistency. You get to put water or apple cider vinegar or both. Like, that's pretty cool. So I would definitely suggest this mask for sure if you love doing DIY things and want to get something strong to sort of revitalize your skin. Well, that's all I have for you, curls. I so enjoyed doing this mask for you all today, and I hope you enjoyed yourself too. I hope you learned something, learned how to either mix it or apply it, and just seeing how the product works before you go out and buy it. Comment below, do you guys have any other DIY masks that you love to do? I would love to hear about it. Or have you tried this mask on before, and did it work for your skin or did it not? I'm interested to see that too, like how it works on different kinds of skin. My skin is more normal to combination skin, so let me know below how it worked for you. I will put the link below of where I got the mask, but that's all I have for you, curls. Until next time, peace and love.